Hey everybody, it's Mike here at Find Your Cards. We got a box break of 15 Superlative Hockey The Vault tonight. Lots of cool stuff, so hopefully we get something nasty for you guys tonight or something big. Before we get started, eBay current time for those who aren't catching it live. eBay current time, we'll refresh it up. 22:17:01 Eastern Standard Time. All right, time to get going, and good luck all. So we've been having a real mix of cards here in Superlative recently, so let's see if we carry on with that. Oh, sweet. We have Superlative, the first 6, Lord Stanley's mug. New York Rangers. We got Messier, Leach, and Mike Richter. Messier, Leach, and Mike Richter. Nice. That's a good start. Now here's a card I'm super jealous of, so that'll tell you what team right off the bat. We have 3 autos. Ho ho ho. It is a Superlative franchise. Stanley, Bond, and Quinn. Go Leafs go. Stanley, Bond, and Quinn. Wow, that's awesome. That's a beauty for the Leafs. Triple auto. 3 old timers. That's a sweet hit for you. That's a wicked card. The next one's going to be have whoever has, I'm not sure who has Montreal tonight. I didn't look. It's going to be pretty happy with this one too. We got Bleu, Blanc, et Rouge. Auto for the Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price. Carey Price auto. That's a beauty as well. So far, so good, eh? Wouldn't you say, everybody? All right, we finish it off good too. We got trophy winners. That's going to be a random here at the end. Why not finish off with a random? It was definitely an original 6 type night, sort of. Maybe not. It was after the random, but we got Busick, we got Esposito, and Perron. So we do 2 spots Bruins, 1 spot Flyers, 1 spot Blackhawks. Yeah. It'll be interesting to see how that vote goes. Personal opinion, I think I actually have to agree. But Price, I think Price is going to win, but that's besides the point. I'm with you, Novi. All right, so we'll do the random here, and then next up we have Crown Royal coming up in a couple minutes. So random, 2 spots Bruins, Flyers, and of course we got the Blackhawks. That was a sweet, sweet box. All right, Bruins, Flyers, if I can spell, and Hawks. Okay, there we go, all punched in. We're going to randomize this 3 times. Team on top of the end, the card is yours. 1, 2, and 3. Going to the Hawks. Hawks it is. Alright. That wraps up Superlative. Next up, Crown. What a great box. Nasty autos in there.